Good morning, class. This is Miss Griffin. Today we are going to be talking about open syllables, defining what they are, and how to identify them. So let's first ask ourselves, what is an open syllable? An open syllable has two components to making it an open syllable. So it is a word part that this first syllable ends in a vowel, and that vowel makes the long vowel sound. For example, do you think the word tiger is an open syllable word? Why or why not? Perfect. If you answered yes, it is an open word syllable, you would be correct. And that is because it follows both of the rules listed above. And we'll get into that more later in the lesson. Today we are going to be discussing this short story, so I'm going to read it for y'all. It says, the hero and the robot went to the city. The robot went to the auto shop to get a new part for his tiny body. The hero then played a game of Go Fish with his new friend, the robot. Then they went home to eat their favorite food, tacos. We are now going to be focusing on these words. The words are hero, robot, city, auto, tiny, game, friend, and home. Think about which one of these words could be considered an open word syllable versus just a regular word. I have now categorized the words into two lists, so we are now going to label which side is just normal syllable words versus which side is open syllable words. If you said that the open syllable words were on the left and the regular syllable words were on the right, then you were correct. We are now going to go through each word and practice identifying why or why not they are open syllable words. First word is hero. Do we think hero is an open syllable word or just a regular syllable word? To identify if it's an open syllable word, we're going to want to look at the first syllable of this word. So we can see that it's H-E, and say it with me, hero. We can tell that the first syllable part ends in a vowel and makes the long E sound. Therefore, the word hero is an open syllable word. The next word we will be looking at is city. Let's clap it together on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. City. Now, do we think this word is an open syllable word or just a regular syllable word? If you said this was a regular syllable word, you would be correct. We know this is not an open syllable word because it does not follow the two rules of the first syllable part ending in a vowel and having a long vowel sound. The next word is robot. Let's clap it together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Robot. Now let's identify if this is an open syllable word or a regular syllable word. We can tell this is an open syllable word because the RO is the first syllable part and it ends in a vowel and it makes the long vowel sound. The next word is the word game. Do we think the word game is an open syllable word or just a regular syllable word? If you said regular syllable word, then you're correct. Game is only one syllable, so it cannot be an open syllable word. The next word is auto. So let's clap this word together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Auto. So is this word an open syllable word or a regular syllable word? We can tell that this is an open syllable word because the first syllable part ends with a vowel and it makes the long vowel sound. Next, we have the word home. Do y'all think that the word home is an open syllable word or just a regular syllable word? If y'all said a regular syllable word, y'all be right because again, it is a one syllable word. Next is the word tiny. So let's clap tiny together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Tiny. Do we think tiny would be an open syllable word or a regular syllable word? Just like the rest of the words, tiny has 2 syllable parts, and the first syllable part ends in a vowel and makes the long vowel sound. Therefore, it is an open syllable word. Lastly, let's look at the word friend. Do y'all think friend is an open syllable word or a regular syllable word? If you said regular syllable word, you would be right. Finally, this is the last one syllable word, therefore it cannot be an open syllable. Okay, time for a pop quiz question. So the question is, what 2 components make up an open syllable? If y'all said that the word has to have 2 syllable parts where the first syllable ends in a vowel and makes a long vowel sound, you'd be correct. But this is the end of our lesson, guys. Thank y'all so much for being engaging and paying attention, and I hope y'all can now identify what an open syllable word is and how to determine if a word is open syllable or not. We will have a exit ticket, so put your computers away and grab out a pencil. Bye!